I became a financial advisor, for a couple reasons. The first is, went to Jesuit High School, graduated from here in Tampa, and it was a very impactful 4 years for me. And one of the things they try to teach the students at Jesuit is to live a life of servitude and be a man for others. But above that, I came from a family with 2 parents, loving parents, great people, never really, needed anything that I didn't have. But they weren't good at managing cash flow, unfortunately, and they didn't have anyone working with them to kind of tell them the importance of being systematic and intentional with savings and putting that money to work for you. So what happened was, my father has a disability that advanced over the years. So, at some point it actually got so bad that it eliminated his ability to work. So he was no longer in the workforce and didn't have the proper protection in place for that income and that cash flow. And if I can use my family story to help people be in a better place today, then that's great. And that's kind of what drove me to get into this business.